Tolee, kun barnoota fayyaa karaa kan biqilaa fuudha. Asirraa ka'uudhaan hundarraa nagaa waaqayyoo akka jirtan isin jecha guyyaa irraa mata duree waa'ee urinary and body fluids kan jedhu waliin ilaalla. Chapter 1 Anatomy and Physiology of Urinary System. Anatomy and Physiology of Urinary System. What is anatomy? What is physiology of urinary system? Think about those two top core words or some of them. And we are depend on this objective. Objective at the end of this chapter, the student will be able to chapter explain about the urinary systems. Explain about the urinary systems and the components. Urinary system components kan jedhu maal jechuu yaadatu kan jedhu waliin ilaalla. Urinary system, also called renal system. Excuse me. Urinary system, also called renal system. What? Renal system. Urinary systems, also called renal system, and it is responsible for the producing, storing and eliminating urine. And the main component of urinary system are 4 up to 5 main components of urinary system. The first one is kidney or renal organ. Kidney is tubing. Kidney is two. The shape of these two kidney are pin-shaped organs located on either side of the spine, just below the rib cage. And when we are come to this function of this kidney, filter, bleed, remove waste, balance electrolytes, regulates blood pressure. The second one, ureters. Ureters are two narrow tubes that transport urine from each kidney to the urinary bladder. It uses peristalsis or wave-like muscular contractions to move urine. And the third one is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a hollow muscular organ that stores urine until it is ready to be excreted, and they can expand and contract depending on the urine volume. What? Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a hollow muscular organ that stores urine until it is ready to be excreted. Don't forget. And the fourth one is urethra. Urethra is a tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. It is used to carry urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. Urethra urine yookiis fincaan baachuudhaan bladder irraa fuudhee gara alaa kan baasudha jechuudha. Its length differs in males and females. The length differs in males and females. Longer differs in males and shorter in females. What? Urethra. Urethra is differs in what? In males. The length of urethra is differs in males and females. Longer differs in males and shorter in female. Okay. The second one is about the elucidate about anatomy of kidney. Elucidate about the anatomy of kidney. Elucidate about the kidney are complex organ with external and internal structures that work together to filter blood and produce urine. To filter blood and produce urine. Produce what? Urine. And the location, when we see the location of this kidney, retroperitoneal or behind of the peritoneum, one side of the vertebral column, and the right kidney is slightly lower due to the liver. And the shape of this kidney is bean-shaped and reddish brown organs. What? Reddish brown organ. What is kidney? And the other one is about the size of this kidney. Size of this kidney. The size of this kidney, we see three-way. We will see in three-way size of this kidney by length, long, wide, and also thick. Dheerina, bal'inaa fi yabbina isaanii irratti 10 hanga 12 seentimeetira dheeratu jechuudha. Kaleen namaa 5 hanga 7 seentimeetira bal'atu. Yabbinni isaanii immoo 2.5 hanga 3 seentimeetira ta'a jechuudha. Kanumaan dabarraa kana raanfanne akka yaadannootti hin jire jechuudha. Kanaaf namni kamiyyuu kana raanfachuu hin qabu. Dheerinni isaanii 10 12, bal'inni isaanii 5 hanga 7 fi yabbinni isaanii immoo 2.5 immoo 3 seentimeetira akka ta'e nama kamuu dagachuu hin qabu. Inni gara biraan human kidney have mainly two structures The structure of human kidney divided into two. So, external and internal structure. External structure have only parts. The first part of the external structure is one of the parts of the external structure of kidney is renal capsule. Is top this what? Top fibrous layer of kidney, adipose or perennal fatty or collagen or and protect the kidney. Adipose protect the kidney or parental fats. Renal helium, renal helium, renal helium, 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 renal helium means slits like opening where renal arteries enters, renal veins exist, and the ureters are exists. And the second one is about the internal structure of kidney. It is divided into main regions. The internal structure of kidney are divided into main regions. These are cortex and the medulla. Cortex is the outer region that is lighter in color, contains glomerulus, tiny filtering unities, and also proximal convolutive as well as distal convolutives or parts of neuron. And the function of this cortex or outer layer of kidney are filtration of blood. Cortex is filtration of blood. The function of this cortex is filtration of blood. And the other one is about the medulla. Medulla means inner structure. One of the inner structure of the kidney, it is inner layer. What medulla means? Medulla or inner layer. And it is darker region stretched due to the tubules organized into renal pyramids or cone-shaped structures, medulla or pyramids. Pyramids. And the medulla and the base of pyramid faces the base of pyramid phase of cortex. The base of pyramid phase of cortex and apex or renal papilla points to minor calyx. The function of medulla is urine collection. Urine collection. And concentration. concentration. The function of this medulla oblongis is collection of urine or urine collection and concentration. This is enough ወደ ሆነኛው ሆሞጌን ሪፖርቲንግ ሲስተም ከራሰዲ እነስ ፊዚካሊ ኬሚካሊ ዳብል እንገረብራሙ tokko jira maana nagade so we say describe about renal threshold and renal clearance. Renal threshold means is the maximum concentration of substance in a blood. The maximum renal threshold means threshold means the maximum is the maximum concentration of substance in a blood at which the kidney can completely absorb without appearing in urine. The excess, for example, the excess glucose then appears in urine. Glycolysis. And simply, blood glucose increase. When the blood glucose increase, when blood glucose increase, kidney can't be reabsorbed. Sorry. Cannot be absorbed. Reabsorb all. If you have a cavana when blood glucose is increased, kidney cannot be reabsorbed all. This is glucose in urine. This produces glucose in urine. This produces glucose in urine. Kanang pada ini tanmu about the renal clearance. Renal clearance is a volume of blood plasma that the kidneys completely remove a substance from in 1 minute. Volume of blood plasma that the kidneys completely remove a substance from in 1 minute. This is the formula. The formula of renal clearance is C, which is equal to U times V divided by P. U means concentration before you. C means clearance. U is the concentration of substance in urine. V is urine flow rate per minute. And the P is concentration in plasma. Don't forget. C is clearance. C is clearance. U is the concentration of substance in urine. B is urine flow rate per minute, and P is concentration in plasma. Therefore, renal clearance is equal to C, which is equal to U times V divided by P, the product of concentration of substance in urine and urine flow rate per minute divided by the concentration in plasma. Kana jira. There are three types of renal clearance: inulin clearance, creatinine clearance, and urea clearance. Kan jedhu jira. Kana jechuun immoo fakkeenyaaf inulin. Inulin clearance means it is used to measure the glomerular filtration rate. Kana sababaaf kan nu gargaaru jechuudha. It is used to measure inulin clearance is used to measure glomerular filtration rate. And the second one is about the creatinine clearance. It is used to estimate kidney function. What is used to estimate kidney function? Creatinine. Creatinine. Clearance is used to estimate kidney function, and then also the third one is urea clearance. It is used to measure urea excretion. Urea clearance urea excretion. And renal clearance helps or clinical importance. The clinical importance of renal clearance is the first one: evaluate kidney function, detect kidney disease, and measure the glomerular filtration rate. Kana qabadha. Waa'ee objektiivii kanarratti yaadata kana akkasuma qabachuu dandeessu. Sirriitti taphachuudha. Wanummaatti nuti beekanii beelatooma like, share, comment gochuun immoo hin dagatinaa. Kun immoo dhaamsa gooti. Galatooma.